Hello everyone and welcome to our H3C Practice Lab course on this channel. In this course we will cover the fundamentals of network configuration and troubleshooting using H3C devices. I am really excited to share this knowledge with you and help you to take your networking skill to the next level. For our labs, we will use the H3C Cloud Lab, which you can download from the link in the description below. In the episode number 2, we will cover how to make banner configuration in command line interface. So we would like to create certain message for users who have access to our network device with command line interface. To do this, we will create a banner. So first, we will create network device, this switch for example, place it here and start it. After power on the device, we will enter to the command line interface mode. Okay, and wait to boot device. So we will skip automatic configuration and enter into device shell. Okay, then we will type display current configuration to see what we have now configured, but we are only interested in the part of the header, which is synonym for the banner in the H3C devices. So we use pipe include word header. So we can see the result is nothing, and the reason why is because we didn't configure anything. Okay, next let's create it. There is two ways to create it. We can create the banner or the header with only the one sentence, one line, or we can create with multiple lines. So let's first create the first banner configuration. First we will go to the system view, then we will type the command header shell, and then we will use this kind of syntax to the two percentage symbols, and in the middle of them we will write what we want to see. So for example, welcome on H3C device. Enter, and now let's check it. So first we will go to the exit and we will repeat this kind of command, and we will see we have configured now the header function. Okay, let's go quit. So to go out from the device, click enter to get started, and you can see this message here. So our banner is positioned here, so everyone else who will log into this device, we will see this message. Another way, so first let's remove this current header. We will do in the next way, go again to the system view, do command undo header shell, and remove current banner. Okay, let's configure now. The second option is to go to header again, shell, header, and then go to this command and type this. Okay, now please input the banner contact and quit with the character this one. So what we will do, we will write for example first line, enter, second line, enter, and etc. And with the percent we will stop it. Okay, so now if we exit and repeat the command for the display current configuration, pipe include header, we can see here there is a multiple lines defined. Okay, now but we will not see the whole this display, because this include header will only show the first line. But if you go to the display current configuration, here we can find complete banner message. Just a second, here it is. Okay, so let's go quit, enter, and you can see now the banner with the multiple lines. So you can create whatever message you want. This feature can be very useful for letting know users who are accessing to device to know what to know that, for example, you are monitoring their activities, to know that they are forbidden to do some illegal stuff, and etc. It depends on your current wishes. Thank you for watching this video for our H3C Practice Lab course. We hope you found it informative and valuable. To continue learning, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.